Dear students, yesterday I have taught you judicial review and one more topic I have taught. Today I am going to teach you appointment of the judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts and removal of the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court. First of all, how judges of the Supreme Court and High Court will be appointed. So you know this one collegium system is there. By that one, name will be given to PMO. PMO means Prime Minister Office, and finally it goes to President Office, and President will appoint the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court. Again I am going to repeat, judges of the High Court and Supreme Court both were appointed by President of India. You should remember this one. One word answer, who appoints appoints judges of the High Court or Supreme Court? Your answer will be there, President of India. Now next topic is there, tenure of the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court. With reference to the tenure of the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court, I would like to mention here, a judge of the Supreme Court will retire when he or she will complete 65 years his or her age. Meaning, suppose any person is there and he became Chief Justice of India or any judge of the Supreme Court, and present time his age is only 50. So continuous 15 years he can discharge his duty as a judge of the Supreme Court, as a Chief Justice or as a judge. Meaning tenure has not been fixed that 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, no. Tenure is like this one, if judge has been completed 65 years his age, then he will be retired. So second example I would like to mention, suppose any person became judge of the Supreme Court and this time his age or her is age 62. So only he will or she will discharge his duty as a judge of Supreme Court only 3 years. Means when he will complete 65 years his age, then tenure will be over. With reference to the High Court, the tenure is 62. Same proceeding will be there in that one. When any judge has been appointed in High Court, so he will retire when he will complete 62 years his age. Now, I think my words are clear this one. With reference to the removal of the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, one word will be used, that is impeachment. Impeachment word will be used for the removal of the judges of the High Court and Supreme Court. Same process will be there. How this proceeding will be started? First of all, I would like to explain this one in detail. Please pay attention. Suppose impeachment bill introduced in Lok Sabha against any judge of the Supreme Court or High Court. First of all, suppose it has been introduced in Lok Sabha. Then in that proposal, minimum 100 member signature required. And after that, when it will be introduced in the Lok Sabha, then Speaker of the Lok Sabha will set up one committee for inquiry the allegation. So first person will be there, CJI or OR, any judge of the Supreme Court. First point clear? First member of respective inquiry committee, CJI, Chief Justice of India, or any judge of the Supreme Court, first point. Second member will be there, Chief Justice of any High Court. Any High Court means Chief Justice of Lucknow bench, Chief Justice of Patna High Court, Chief Justice of Madras High Court, whatever. And third person will be there, a distinguished jurist. What do you mean by this one? Distinguished jurist means the person is expert of law in the opinion of President of India. Suppose any person is a distinguished jurist means he is an expert of law. And three member will investigate. Okay? And when they have observed that really the respective judge has violated the constitution, then it will introduce to Lok Sabha, and when Lok Sabha will pass the resolution by special majority means by 2/3 majority, then it will go to Rajya Sabha. And when Rajya Sabha will also pass the resolution by special majority, then only President of India will remove the respective judge. Next step, suppose the resolution has been started in Rajya Sabha, meaning impeachment bill against any judges of the High Court and Supreme Court can be introduced either house of the parliament. The first one I have taught you, when Lok Sabha, bill has been introduced, proceeding just I have taught. Same proceeding will be there when it will be introduced in Rajya Sabha. But in Rajya Sabha, I have taught you in Lok Sabha 100 member signature required, but in Rajya Sabha only 50 member signature required. After that, what will be happen? Chairman of the Rajya Sabha will set up inquiry committee. In that inquiry committee, how many members were there? Same proceeding, 3 members were there. First member, CJI or any judge of the Supreme Court. Second one, any Chief Justice of any High Court. And third one, distinguished jurist. Same. And this committee will inquiry the allegation, and after that, respective judge will be called in respective house, either Lok Sabha, either Rajya Sabha, and member will ask question. When inquiry committee will observe that the respective judge has violated the law, then Rajya Sabha will pass the resolution by 2/3 majority, special majority. After that, it will go to Lok Sabha. When Lok Sabha will also pass the resolution by 2/3 majority, then President of India will remove respective judge. I think my words are getting this one. One more point that is very, very necessary. If question will be there, what answer is there? How judges of the Supreme Court or High Court will be removed? And suppose in option given by Lok Sabha, by Rajya Sabha, by Parliament, okay, and by Prime Minister, so your answer will be there, Parliament. Okay. If question will be there like this one, on which ground judges of the High Court and Supreme Court will be removed? Suppose ground has been asked. So your ground given, it is the constitutional word. Nobody will change this one. Proved misbehavior or incapacity. Meaning is there. If respective judge has violated the constitution, but keyword what you will write, your keyword will be there, proved misbehavior or incapacity. That is clear? Now, one more very, very important point is there. I would like to explain this one. That is very, very necessary, because after this lecture I will start United Nation, and today I will conclude this chapter. One topic that I have not discussed and very brief, I would like to explain this one. Supreme Court and High Courts are known as Court of Record. What do you mean by this one? Court of Record. Meaning is there, any verdict given by Supreme Court or High Court, that will be kept as a record for evidence and testimony. The judgment are in the nature of precedents, meaning if similar matter will be there, so it will be taken care as a precedent, means example. And in similar cases, all court will give similar decision, and their decision will be kept as a record for future references. Means if same cases will be coming, so same decision will be there, because I have taught you we have single integrated judiciary, meaning we have Supreme Court, we have High Court, High Courts, we have many lower courts. With reference to the all judiciary system, we have only one law, means same law for the High Courts, same law for the Supreme Court, and same law for the lower court. And each and every judge, each and every judge will discharge his duty by exercising the same law. Means judge will sort out the dispute by exercising the law and enforce the law by same constitution. Thank you. And today I am going to conclude my lecture now, and next day I'll start United Nation. Very important lesson is there. And after 2-3 videos again I'll come on High Courts. If any student having problem in any lesson which I have taught, you can send me message, then I'll share one more video regarding judiciary. Thank you.